Let's get you now as we bring you more details. There's information coming in on the polygraph test, and Sanjay Roy's polygraph test has started. The polygraph test for 4 of the doctors was done yesterday, and this is what we are getting. That's the latest information, and those are pictures of CBI officers who are entering Kolkata's Presidency Jail, and the polygraph test of Sanjay Roy is now underway. Sabyasachi will be getting us more on the same, but Sabyasachi is joining us. Sabyasachi, the polygraph test of Sanjay Roy has begun. Bhavtosh was telling us that how yesterday the CBI tried conducting the polygraph test and for some technical reason it couldn't be completed. And now they've gone in again. We also know the kind of questions that the CBI has ready for Sanjay Roy. What's the latest when it comes to the polygraph angle that you're tracking?
Well, absolutely. See, the CBI wanted to conduct the polygraph test of prime accused Sanjay Roy yesterday itself, but because of some technical failure, the CBI could not do it. So that's why the CBI team today left from the CJO and reached the Presidency Jail here in Kolkata to conduct the polygraph test of the prime accused Sanjay Roy. As per the sources, the polygraph test is underway at the Presidency Jail. Sanjay Roy has been kept at jail number 21 of the Presidency Jail. He's been continuously monitored by CCTV cameras 24/7. 2 guards have been deployed outside his cell. So the line of questioning from the CBI would be extremely crucial to ascertain whether Sanjay Roy is being pressurized by somebody to accept the crime or not. At what time did he reach RG Kar Medical College and Hospital? Under whom guidance did Sanjay Roy had so much power that he could roam freely inside the campus? Whether in the past also Sanjay Roy was involved in such act or not. So these are some of the questions which the CBI is going to ask Sanjay Roy in this particular polygraph test. So a lot of unanswered questions are there in front of the CBI, as well as a timeline which has been given by the Kolkata police to the Supreme Court. The CBI somewhere have questioned that particular timeline that has been given by the Kolkata police to ascertain that the polygraph test of Sanjay Roy becomes extremely crucial from the investigating point of view.